Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to unban someone on Discord. Now to do that, first thing is open the Discord application of yours and then get logged in. Now that you are logged in into the Discord, you need to go to the server of yours. So tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left and tap upon the server of yours. There in the server, you need to go and tap on the three dotted line just beside the server name. You tap that. This will give you your profile section where you need to tap on setting. Tap on it. In this setting, you need to go down to the very end of the screen and you will have the user management option. And there in the user management section, you will see the ban option. You tap upon that. Here you will find the list of all banned users in here. Here you need to choose the member you want to unban, and just once you do that, you will find the option unban or remove ban just beside it. You just tap on remove ban and the person will be removed from the ban list. You can see currently the list of mine is empty as I did not ban anyone on Discord. So if you have a list of banned member, you can just tap their name and you will have the message pop up where you need to tap on remove ban or unban them. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.